Hey everybody, it's Tammy and Kent with TK Slots. We're playing a little Crazy Goat Stuffed Coins.
Crazy Stuffed Coins Goat.
Free games.
Free games, let's go. Big screen. That's good.
Big
Give us a multiplier.
Big one. No? I thought you got one automatically.
Come on now. That's what you want.
Money.
Got an extra spin.
Aww.
And some beer. I don't know how much that was.
Not much. I've only paid $4. Okay, go again.
We're in it. You want to get that thing in the middle.
I want to hit this column.
Well, you want the thing in the middle. Because that gives you the multiplier. As long as you get one, you keep going.
Oh. You hit that right column.
In the middle, in the middle, in the middle.
Hit it. Ah.
In the middle, in the middle, in the middle.
Yeah.
Alright,
20 bucks.
20 bucks. In the middle. Another one on the end.
All
Yeah.
right.
All right,
Saved
keep
it.
going.
Right here. Come on, hit the middle. All right.
Woo!
Thank you.
In the middle, in the middle, in the middle.
Middle, right now. Middle.
Again, do it.
All right, it's not bad. We're still in free spins. Got four
I think
more.
it'll go faster if you hit it.
60 bucks. 61. The goat came through. We're in profit. Do that one more time.
Where's your
Two
spin?
more spins. Last spin.
One more time, give it to us.
Do it. Do it. There we go. Come on, 6.
Nope, you didn't get it. You needed the third column.
Oh, you got to get them in a row.
Yeah. So $65.96 on that bonus. On this $1.76 bet. Spin it
bad.
off. Been a nice back to back would have been great. Do it. Oh.
Oh.
We get something else. We'll come back. Hey, I got the coin feature. Woohoo! I like it when it does that. Times 2. Woo! Minor! 50 bucks! Do it again!
Multiply it.
Come on! One! I need one!
Multiply it.
Thank you.
Oh, it doesn't multiply it. It multiplies to 50. Come on, 1.
In the middle!
Anyway. Red. Yeah.
Woo! Again! Do it again! Yes!
Get all 3.
Minor times 2! Woohoo!
Good job.
Again!
Save it. Yeah. Get another minor. Come on, go to the minor.
Again!
There you go.
Do it again!
Red. Get that red one.
Some on the end. Save it. Oh, well, that's great.
Here, next to last one. So that's it.
What's this one spin?
All right, babe. That's a good hit.
It is. Woohoo! $132 on an 88-cent bet. That's phenomenal. Woohoo! All right. That was very cool. Get it. Oh, you almost got it. Oh, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Oh.
This game's all about successful hands.
If I get something else, I'll come back.
Oh, hey everybody, it's Tammy and Cam. I got another bonus. Let's see what happens. This is Crazy Goat Stuffed Coins. I need that middle one. Uh-oh. All right. It's a win. Get that red one. All right, that's the end of that bonus. What did we get? $21 or $20.50. I'm gonna pause it because Tammy's gonna get another one.
Got it again. Hope it's good as the last one. Come on, give it to me, give it to me. Oh, okay. I need the third column row. One on the third. Give it to me. Come on, one on the third. Give me on the fourth. Oh, bummer. $4.50. Ken almost had it. Multiplier. It's a cute game.
I like your gun.
When the goat comes out, it's really funny. Okay, I'm still playing the pennies. I got it again. Well, I got the free spins. I got 10 free spins. I'm gonna have a huge screen. Let's be good. Come on, goats, help me out. Come on now, line it up, line it up. An extra spin for every gong I get. Take it. Got queens. The goat can give us something good if it will do it. Come on now, give us the points. Extra spin. Come on, goats. Come on. 4 more spins. Only won $1.38. Can I have some gongs, please? Thank you. All right, 2 extra spins, 2 spins. Can I have the coin show? There we go. I didn't get it. One more try. Got it. Here we go. Be amazing. Time 2. Okay, 1 coin. Here we go. In the middle, in the middle. On the end. In the middle. Okay, in the middle, in the middle. On the end. Thank you. Okay, 1 coin, 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 coin. Yeah, in the middle, in the middle. 1 coin, 1 coin. Okay, in the middle. On the end. Big, big, big over here. Thank you. Hey, coin. 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 In the middle. Aw, bummer. $26.75 was my last spin. I'm gonna take it because they're gonna give it to me. $28.38. Thanks for watching.